In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Steam purchase history on PC. If you want to check what you've bought on Steam, confirm a past transaction, or review refund and wallet activity, Steam makes it pretty easy to find everything in one place. I'll walk you through where to go and what you'll see once you get there. First, open Steam on your PC and sign into your account. Make sure you're fully logged in so you can access your account settings and purchase information. If Steam opens straight to your library or store page, that's perfectly fine. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the Steam window and click your account name. This opens a menu with account-related options. It's a useful area to know because it's where you can manage settings tied specifically to your profile and purchases. From that menu, select Account Details. This will take you to a page that shows important information connected to your Steam account. You may see billing-related sections, store preferences, and other account management tools here. On the Account Details page, find the section labeled Store and Purchase History. In that section, click View Purchase History. This is the page you'll use whenever you want to review your Steam transactions. It's especially helpful if you're checking when something was purchased, how much you paid, or whether a refund has already been processed. After opening your purchase history, you'll see a list of your transactions. This can include games, downloadable content, Steam Wallet purchases, refunds, gift purchases, and the dates and amounts associated with each one. Everything is organized in a straightforward list, so it's easy to scroll through and find a specific order. If you need more information about a particular transaction, click on that purchase. Steam will open additional details for that item, and in many cases, you'll also see support options related to the purchase. That can be useful if you're trying to solve a billing issue, review what was included in an order, or get help with a transaction. A good tip here is to carefully read the transaction names and dates, especially if you've made a lot of purchases over time. Some items may appear differently depending on whether they were bought directly, received as part of a bundle, or connected to wallet funds or refunds. And that's how to view your Steam purchase history on PC. Once you know where the account details page is, it becomes much easier to keep track of everything you've bought through Steam.